Silence is complicity. That if you aren't speaking out, then you're kind of going to be part of the problem. Do you think that's true?
Look, I mean, I encourage at this point, like, again, I didn't come public until this week, until Chrystia's letter.
Then there's Chrystia Freeland, who was just fine with doubling the debt, doubling housing costs, doubling the number of people going to food banks, quadrupling the carbon tax, breaking the immigration system.
Well, fuck you, motherfucker. Fuck your country. Fuck your race. Fuck your culture. Fuck Christmas. We're gonna get you, motherfuckers. Fuck you and your rights. Fuck you and your free speech. Fuck you and your free thoughts, your free conscience, all that fucking freedom bullshit. We're gonna get you.
But then suddenly had a change of heart the second she realized she was getting a demotion. So it was really all about her.
My colleagues, many of whom have come to me and said, oh my God, he needs to go. If they don't say so to him, how is he supposed to know that? If they don't say so. I think the poll this week that Abacus did was that 19% of Canadians wanted him to stay and 67% wanted him to step down. You know, I guess that, you know, it'll be up to them if they want to go into an election. Right now, we heard from Peter Julian, we heard from Jagmeet Singh. The NDP, you know, wants will vote non-confidence in February or March if Justin has not left, and the people that are the happiest about it would be the Conservatives and the Bloc. They're the ones that are the most upset about what's happening this week. If you listen to Poilievre, if you listen to Blanchette, the one thing that would upset them doing well in the next election is the Liberals making a leadership change. So they are the ones who are the most adamantly against him going. They're the ones that want him to stay, which should make every Liberal in this country give pause, because clearly the people that are running against us want him to stay. Everybody should be thinking about that.
Are you sure?
And that is why in just a few moments, I will be writing the Governor General, asking her to urgently reconvene Parliament and require a non-confidence vote so the Prime Minister can judge whether he stays in power, continuing to ruin our country, or whether we get an axe the tax election to allow Canadians to take back control of their lives and their country. What is clear is that Justin Trudeau does not have the confidence of Parliament. The leader of the Bloc says he's changed his mind. He no longer has confidence in the Prime Minister. Just today, Jagmeet Singh claimed that he no longer has confidence in the Prime Minister, albeit he intends to wait until he gets his pension, until he votes accordingly. But still, he says he's lost confidence. Who, after he duped you all and claimed he'd ripped up his deal with Trudeau, voted 8 times to keep Trudeau in office over the last session of Parliament.
Today, I notified the Prime Minister that I've ripped up the supply and confidence agreement. Canadians are fighting a battle for the future of the middle class. Justin Trudeau has proven again and again he will always cave to corporate greed. The Liberals have let people down. They don't deserve another chance.
I have been told by so many people who have had that conversation with him that that is what is conveyed, that he truly believes, particularly in a campaign where he is a proven campaigner, that he will be able to do what he doesn't think other contenders for the leadership will be. Could he be right?
No.